we had a smoking. I thought attacking football was illegal, Pac, bro. I thought that was attacking football was illegal. We have just watched an absolute Sleggers masterclass. Who knew? It's almost like she knows what she's doing. And Arsenal have just slapped up London City 4-1. Bless up to everyone who tuned into the watch-along. The watch-along was fire, by the way. And I'll be doing a lot more of them Arsenal women's games this season because the Arsenal men's team are rubbish and they play crap football. So, get on the women's football hype. We dragged La Liga out the mud. We dragged women's football out the mud. Bosh. Smash the likes up as well. Nearly on 133k. So big up to everyone who has locked in. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. I'll be doing the Turkey versus Spain game tomorrow evening. Obviously, I'll be live on here at some point tomorrow. But this is me done for the day. I'm going out, mate. It's a beautiful day. 27 degrees currently. And yeah, like I said, bless up to everyone who tuned in. But yes, Sleggers need to get in the men's team as the manager because that was an absolute masterclass. The pressing from the get-go was good. Gave away a penalty. The penalty was a decent finish as well. Shocking defending from Reed in the end. Great first tackle, and then the second tackle, mad rash. But she played well after that. Nearly scored direct off a corner as well. Declan Rice FC. But soon as Olivia Smith slapped one straight in the top bins. What a goal, by the way. What a goal. If anyone hasn't seen that goal, dribbled round free and just whipped it across goal, yeah, from the centre, yeah, outside the box and just wrapped it. Keeper didn't even move. Yeah, absolutely insane goal. Yeah, and you don't see goals like that in the Premier League. You know, people go, oh, but the quality's better in the Premier League. Yeah, cool. It's still relative, mate. It's all relative. She's a baller. Tech level 100. Big up to her. Big up to her. And then, right on the stroke of half time, pretty much, it was in stoppage time. My baller, Chloe Kelly. What a finish that was as well. Great play. Into Russo. She spun, crossed it. Chloe Kelly, boom, right in the right spot. Tapped it in the bottom corner, outside of the boot. Well, I think it actually came off her shin, but it was a nice finish nonetheless. And right place, right time. And who knew that wingers can swap sides? Excuse me. Chloe Kelly floating out to the left, floating out to the right. 1 minute she's on the left, then she's on the right. Who knew? Then she scored from the centre. Jesus Christ, what is going on here? Bush, we're dying, bruv. But anyway, then second half, it was just one-way traffic. Too easy. Well, it was one-way traffic after their penalty, to be fair. But the second half, it was total domination. And why didn't Arsenal come out in the second half and park the bus? Shut up shop. You're 2-1 up at home. You're playing a newly promoted side. Should be light work, right? Oh, no. Not my manager. My manager says, no, attack, 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 attack. Cheers, guys. She says, nah, we're going to score more goals. And we should have scored about 4 or 5 more. I can't lie. And some of the saves the keeper made for London City were decent. Some of the passing for Mariona as well. Jesus Christ. Some of the passes passed in with Vim as well. Some of the crossing from Smith, from Kelly. Yeah, it was decent, man. That game was very good. I can't lie. That game was actually really good to watch. And I can't stress how much you guys need to start watching this, because I'm just looking at these total shots now. 20 shots on goal, 10 on target, 61% of the ball. Yeah, absolutely slapped them. Limited them to next to nothing. I thought that was decent, man. Palova should have scored. That should have made it 3-1 as well. I can't believe she skied that. Great play. But some of the passing, some of the patterns, yeah, it was sick. Absolutely sick. Yeah, and defensively, we weren't even in trouble, really. It was just light work for everyone in defense. But going forward, the fluidity in the moves, it was just a joy to watch. Premier League football is crap. Keep telling everyone, man. It is so slow, robotic, system-based. You're not allowed out of this zone. You have to stay in that part of the pitch. You have to sprint back at 100 mile an hour. No. Get a proper manager. You can play sick football and you can still win. It's not rocket science. But then my manager, Sleggers, she then decides we're taking Chloe Kelly off. And she took off Russo as well. Russo could have had a couple of goals. Great save from the goalkeeper from one header, across goal. That was a sick header. Great save. But she took off Chloe Kelly, took off Russo, and she brought on Stina and Beth Mead. And what happened? Bang, bang. 3-1, 4-1 inside a couple of seconds. Yeah, it was just easy. 2 goals in a minute. Beth Mead's crossing, by the way, for both of them goals, especially the second one, the skill and the awareness to cross the ball. Yeah, it was just mad. The fourth one from Frida. Yeah, go and have a look at the highlights of this game if you ain't watched it. It was absolutely class. Yeah, and I promise you now, yeah, it's so nice to sit and watch football, especially Arsenal, and actually enjoy watching it, because I'm bored out of my box watching Arsenal men's team. Yeah, and I've had it up to here watching it. It's boring. It's crap. We've got some great players at Arsenal. We have. Yeah, but the way this manager sets them up, not for me, mate. Not for me. It's boring. And it's all well and good being bored. I've been bored watching George Graham football. Yeah, George Graham ultimately won stuff. Yeah, this guy's boring the life out of everybody and don't win nothing. This manager plays Arsene Wenger-esque football and wins. Yeah, and I'm telling you now, they'll win the league this season. Yeah, you heard it here. I'm telling you, I'm here to tell you right now, Sleggers is winning the league. And like I said, the substitutes came on, and within 5, 6 minutes, 7 minutes or whatever it was, bang, 3-1, bang, 4-1. Yeah, could have had a couple more, probably about 3 or 4 more, to be fair. Their goalkeeper was probably their best player, although they actually defended pretty well, to be fair to them. And some of the last-ditch tackles, the slide tackles, the blocks and stuff like that, the goalkeeper. But they were digging in and digging in and digging in, hoping to get a counter-attack. But defensively, we were just too good. When they tried to counter, we just got the ball back within seconds. The pressing was insane in that game today. And fair play to them, because let's be real with it. First game at home, yeah, okay, fair enough. It's a newly promoted team. But to go 1-0 down and to still stick to the plan and still keep doing what you're doing, yeah, fair play. Fair play. And it was great to watch. And I think there was 38,000 people in the stadium today. So somebody in my chat told me that 17,000 Arsenal women's season tickets have been sold. So fair play to everyone who's going to watch that this season, because you're going to be entertained. You won't be falling asleep. Notice also, Sleggers don't jump around up and down on the touchline landing aeroplanes and doing all of this crap. She just stands there, hands in the pocket, just watching. And okay, cool. Just might need to do a little tweak here at half time. I might need to do a little this. And she'll go and sit back down. She's just chilling. Do you know why? Because she's fully confident in her ability. Yeah, and knows that her coaching ability is elite. Hence why she has this trophy, because she knows what she's doing. Yeah, and when I look at the manager of the men's team, he's winging it, mate. I've been telling everyone he's been winging it. But listen, that's for another day. Yeah, for today, every single one of them was quality. Every single one of them, apart from that mistake from Reed at the beginning. Yeah, I thought she'd done really well. Fox at right back. Yeah, McCabe. Yeah, all of them. Every single one of them. The whole defence was sick. I can't lie. The whole defence. Catley as well. It was just light work. Defensively, it was a piece of piss. I think they had like 3 shots. That's stupid. Let me have a look. I think they had like 3 shots. 5 shots, 3 on target. It was just too easy. Too easy. And every single one of them today was class. Yeah, the midfield was just dominant. Yeah, the formation, I like the formation, the 4-2-3-1, but it's not a rigid 4-2-3-1. And when I watch football, and I've watched football for nearly 40 years, when you watch football and people are just floating around, this interchanging, it's just you pass, but then you can go here and you can make the run, and I'll just fill in here. Yeah, it's so good to watch a manager that is so good at her system. Fair play to this manager. She is a quality manager. Yeah, I'll take her as Arsenal first team manager for the men's. Yeah, she's a good manager. I'm not even taking the piss either. I would fully have this woman as manager of Arsenal men's team. Yeah, because I've seen enough in the games that I've watched. And listen, I ain't watched hundreds of women's football matches because I actually thought women's football was shit until I started watching it. And now I'm fully hooked. We're fully hooked. Not stinker and hooked. We're hooked. But yeah, Smith got man of the match. Man of the match, fuck it up. Sorry, I didn't mean to misgender you. Don't kill me. She got player of the match. No, lady of the match. Love, lady of the match. And She was class. I can't lie. I've never seen her play before. Yeah, she looks like a proper baller. Yeah, and the goal was sick. Chloe Kelly, my baller. She can play men's football. She's unbelievable, man. That woman is so good. Left foot, right foot. Same with Smith, though, to be fair. Smith, she's a baller. But Arsenal got a very good team here. A very, very good team. Obviously, Stina come off the bench, a little header at the end. To make it 3-1. Obviously, we have other players on the bench that came on and helped as well. Obviously, Frida came on. Beth Mead with 2 assists in a minute. And obviously Taylor Hines came on as well. So yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good. Start the season off with a 4-1. I'm actually buzzing to have watched that. Yeah, I'm buzzing I've watched it. I totally forgot it was on as well. I can't lie. And I woke up and thought, what game was I going to do today? What game was I supposed to do? I was, oh shit, Arsenal were playing. So here we are, guys. But no, that was a joy to watch, man. And I love people in the comment section going, oh, you've gone woke. No, it's actually good football. I am a football fan. I enjoy good football. And that was good football today. And since this manager has taken over this football club, it has been good football. So fair play to her. Fair play to all the girls out there today. Big up to everyone who went and watched it live, by the way. Yeah, because you got a masterclass in how to attack and play proper football. And you weren't bored. So yeah, big up the girls. Big up the slaggers. Fucking get in. Bosh. We're out. Bosh.